All right, so this is going to be a quick tutorial, step by step, how to draw a mouth. And we have different kinds of mouths, we have different facial features, we are different people. These are all going to be different and all going to look different. The better we are at observing and seeing those differences, the better we will be at drawing. Okay, so let's get started. You are going to start with doing kind of an open V and a line coming down on one side and then another diagonal, almost like a mountain top there, right? So this is step one. If you need to pause it at any time, you're welcome to do that because this video is for you. All right. What I'm going to do is connect the end of this line and this line together. All right, and that is pretty extreme. I may have to change that. And we're just playing around, so might take a little while, right? It might take a few versions, it might take a bit more sketching and drawing. Okay, so we are going to then, so this is our top lip, right? Then we're going to make our bottom lip, which is normally bigger than our top lip. All right. Sometimes there's those lines there. And we can create the illusion that these are real lips by using value, darkening areas and having shading happening. So I'm going to darken this top lip here and this section here, and then kind of come up in my cross hatching, or any way of creating shadow, which is common on the upper lip. Okay. And then I'm going to give the bottom lip a little bit of volume. Okay. And fill that in a little bit more. Right, so then I would come in and shade it or blend it there with my finger. Okay. And I'm come in and darken it where I think there needs to be little darker areas. It's not all going to be dark at the same spot, and that variation or different sections of it being dark is true, as well as it's a nice thing to have when we are representing something that is three-dimensional, something that we can hold and touch, into something that is two-dimensional on paper, that illusion. Alright, so I'm going to come in again and use my portable blending tool, haha, my finger. Alright, and then the last thing I'm going to do is take out a little bit of that spot and then take a little bit off of the top there. And thin that line out a little bit as well. So what I'm noticing is, where are my lightest parts and where are my darkest parts? And it has to do with shadow. That's definitely one of the darkest parts, right? There we go. Cool. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope it was helpful to draw some basic lips.